Hey, thanks for joining Uncle Mike for this edition of the Dow Directions, a technical analysis of the Dow. And this is Monday, March 16th. Well, you can see all the indecision here. We went up, touched the 50% retracement, came back, and it was like we didn't do anything all day. We're above the T8, which is at 67.91. We've held the 20-period moving average, which is just about at the 38.2 retracement, and that's at 71.58. Really need to get above here, 61.8 retracement, and that is the 50 EMA. 76.36. If we can get above here and hold, then a short-term bottom would be likely and put in at this point. And then you can see the 200-day moving average, 93.68, which is coming down, and we'll meet at some place out in this area, maybe 8,000 level, unless we can put in some good days. But Uncle Mike is thinking that the 8,000 to 8,500 is where we'll meet up with the Mr. 200-day moving average. Now let's take a look at some of the other indicators that we look at each night. Okay, the support and resistance level is still at 81.84, which was broken 24 days ago. So now that 81.84 is going to be the resistance in the shorter time frame, and the longer term support and resistance broke at 83.13 32 days ago. So that 83, 82, 83 area, of course the 8,000, the big round number, is going to be an area of resistance as we come up to there. Let's check our trend-day chart checkup. Price bias is still downward overall, and the projected upper bound is 76.71 and the lower bound is 66.89. Let's look at our Rex Takasugi profile with what happened at the Dow. We ended up down 7 points today. Volume was 74% above average, and now the Bollinger Bands are 1% narrower than normal. The technical outlook is neutral for the short term, but is still bearish for intermediate and long term. The Dow is now 25.6 below its 200-period moving average, which is still in a downward trend. Volatility is extremely high when compared to the last 10 periods. It's a decent possibility that volatility will decrease and prices will stabilize in the near term. The trend forecasting oscillators are currently bearish and have had this outlook for 41 periods. So quite a long time we've had this bearish outlook. Well, we knew you had to be some sort of pause. Hopefully this is it. One would expect some little retracement. Hopefully it's not down past 7,000. Hopefully we can hold that level. We will need some consolidation and hopefully move forward. Thanks for joining Uncle Mike, and I will see you tomorrow evening for another edition of the Dow Directions.